Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am at a Pontiac event in San Diego. I did one last year. You guys probably have seen it. So I'll be filming a lot of cars today, mostly Pontiacs. Yes, I'm a little partial, but anything that jumps out, I'm going to film. And I can't do a lot of talking or interviewing because there's background music, and that's a criminal offense on YouTube. So if you're not subscribed, do so. Hit the like button, and let's have some fun. Gotta love the plum crazy Challenger. Oh yes. '70 Judge. At least it's painted that way. And the Corvette club's here. And yes, C8s are growing on me. Oh man, love it. This bronze colored one. Custom wrap. Suicide doors, whatever you call those. Oh, happy Halloween. AMX, come on. There's two of them here, it's pretty cool. I heard this car coming in. Sounded mean as hell. Love the stance. Full cage. Let's go. Super clean Mustang. Might be in my future. Pro Charger, dropping the clue. There's an idea for a remote oil filter. With the 8-track too, Elliot. The 8-track too. Don't see this every day. This is ridiculous. LSX 461, 800 horsepower, naturally aspirated. Oh yeah. Wow. Let's see. Wow, is right. That's a lot of polish. Whew. This looks like fun. Sun's out. Not sure why this is sick. Oh, I get it now. Yes, folks, Ecto-1. Awesome. Top banana? Why is that? Oh, it's yellow. Love it.
For the right price, it's yours.
Yeah, right. Look up. Holy hell. Damn, scary fast. Another Cobra. Wait until you see the special features here. Loud. Da. Got flames. Operational hood scoop on an LS. Hey guys, it's a wrap. Show's over, sun's out, I'm enjoying it. I don't know if you noticed, but not many GTOs, actually no GTOs had an LS motor in it. They were all Pontiac blocks, which is pretty cool.
Trade the little baby for
Don't forget, leave a comment below what your favorite car was. Until next time, build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.
right.